Did you know Horlicks is actually not vegan? Today I'm going to show you how to make a 100% plant-based Horlicks style powder at home. We can recreate the same malty, nourishing drink using plant-based ingredients. This homemade version keeps the heart of Horlicks, malted barley, but replaces dairy with plant-based milk. Soy milk powder gives the closest taste to original Horlicks. Stay to the end as I will share more tips for best taste. To make about 1.5 cups of vegan Horlicks powder, you will need malted barley powder, soy milk powder or oat milk powder, dry roasted oat flour, powdered sugar or coconut sugar, a pinch of salt. First, we are making oat flour. Get some rolled oats. Make sure to use rolled oats, not instant oats for best results. Dry roast 1 cup rolled oats on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes until fragrance. If you have oat flour at home, just dry roast the oat flour for 1 to 2 minutes. Let it cool completely. Now place the roasted oats in a blender or grinder. Blend or grind for 3 to 4 minutes until a fine oat flour is obtained. Scrape down in between to ensure all the oats are ground evenly. Sift the oat flour to remove lumps. This is the fine oat flour texture we need. Now place all the ingredients in a bowl. 1 cup malted barley powder, half cup soy milk powder, 1/4 cup roasted oat flour, half teaspoon salt. Optional, add half cup brown sugar or coconut sugar. Mix the ingredients well using a hand whisk. I have omitted the sugar. Sugar can be added later during mixing the drink as preferred. The Horlicks powder should look like this. Store in an airtight container. It should last for up to 2 months. That's it. No cooking, no preservatives. Similar nourishing drink as Horlicks and very economical compared to branded Horlicks. How to use? To prepare the drink, add 2 to 3 heaped teaspoons of this Horlicks style powder to a mug or cup. Then pour hot plant-based milk over it. Stir well to remove any lumps. This works beautifully as a nourishing night drink for kids or even after fasting, the way Horlicks was originally created. Why this works? Malted barley gives slow release energy. Oats provide fullness and fiber. Plant-based milk powder adds creaminess without dairy. And the best part? You control the sugar and minus any additives or preservatives. Let's taste it. It's remarkably similar to the malty drink we grew up with, and healthier as we replaced wheat flour. We can even turn this into a cocoa-flavored malted drink. Mix the Horlicks style powder with hot plant-based milk. Then add 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Mix well and enjoy. The taste is similar to cocoa-flavored Horlicks. There you have it, 2 malt-based drinks, original and cocoa-flavored. They are healthy, nourishing drinks, and at a fraction of the cost of branded malt-based drinks. Some tips for best taste of this Horlicks style drink. Tip 1. For closest taste to original Horlicks, use soy milk plus brown sugar. Tip 2. For creamy and mild drink, use oat milk. Tip 3. For more traditional malt flavor, skip cocoa powder. Tip 4. For kids, strain once before serving for extra smoothness. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more vegan alternatives to everyday foods. And let me know in the comments, would you try these vegan Horlicks at home? And what recipes would you like me to create next? Thanks for joining me today. Happy cooking!